Wanted to do a quick video. I just purchased the Milsco V5400 air ride suspension seat for my Gravely zero-turn mower. Not a lot of information that I was able to find anyway, a couple little videos, but wanted to do a quick one here. This seat is a air ride suspension. It's power, so you can release the air. You can air up the suspension as needed to keep you from bottoming out, to cushion over the rough parts of the yard. It's a decent quality seat. I don't know. I can't tell you that it's worth what the price is, but to me, I think it is. I've got a back that I'm either going to have to do this or not mow. This seat comes with adjustable armrest. As you can see, it also came with additional holes. I raised up the armrest because I'm 6'5" and I raised them up to where they were a little bit taller. It comes with a adjustable tilt on the back rest. It also comes with an adjustable lumbar for your lower back. Pretty easy to wire this thing up. It has 4 wires, 2 green, a black and a red. The black and the red are the power for the air pump on the seat. The 2 green are for the pass-through of your occupant detection system on the seat, so that it, for the safety on the seat anyway. Pretty easy to hook up, 4 bolts on the bottom. Line up with most brands. I can't tell you which ones it does and doesn't, but it's a pretty standard hole pattern. I just installed it. I did do a test run yesterday evening, and it does make a world of difference. It doesn't take all the bumps away, but it sure smooths them out to where you're not jolting or hitting bottom. And with my back, I think it's going to be the right answer. Again, just real quick, I thought maybe this might help somebody that was looking for that, specifically someone with a zero turn. As they know, it's rough riding and hard on the back. There is an alternative out there. I hope this helps. Thanks.